Welcome to this meticulously crafted custom home in a great location. It's situated on the outskirts of Northwest Salem at the end of a quiet cul-de-sak. Ready for entertaining, you'll enjoy an expansive back deck. A covered front porch invites you inside. You'll discover an elegant open floor plan with soaring ceilings, Brazilian teakwood floors, a custom gas fireplace, and abundant natural light. The great room opens to the cook's gourmet kitchen with cherrywood cabinets, a built-in hutch, large prep area, stainless steel appliances, gorgeous black granite beautiful to the eye and touch, a gas cooktop, and much more. Double doors open to the spacious master suite. You'll find a soothing master bath with a tile walk-in shower and direct access to the outdoors. On the upper level, you'll find additional large bedrooms and a bonus room, perfect for any number of uses. Other features include a central vacuum system and gas heating with central air conditioning. You can entertain friends and family on the huge Trex deck, complete with surround sound. Or gather by the cozy fire pit. In a peaceful setting, it neighbors undevelopable land in the front and back. Living here, you're close to schools, including West Salem High School, shops, and other city amenities. A gorgeous custom home in a fantastic neighborhood. It's all here ready for you to call home. For more information or your own personal tour, please contact Patrick Ledbetter with Premier Property Group at 503-969-9958.